Hi there again. The topic of this week is how's your online reputation? Is your online reputation preventing you from getting a job, a partner, or otherwise? Hopefully not, right? Keeping up with September, Self-Improvement Month, now is a great time to learn how IDShield, our best in class by Forbes advisors, identity theft protection and restoration, our cybersecurity experts can help you build your online reputation. Here's some tips to help improve our online reputation on Self-Improvement Month. One is Google yourself. Start with Google just to see what you're working with or against, hopefully not. It can go both ways, and it's a good way to start. Another one is boost up your brand. Sign up for accounts at different major social media sites. There's a lot of them, but hey, it's homework, right? By expanding your brand footprint, speculations and rumors on one site are gonna look much less reliable. Another one is buy your name as a domain name. Take that initiative. It's our name, right? So we should not let someone else get our name as a domain and post awful things that would disqualify us and exclude us from that job proposition we're interested in getting. Another one is delete. When building your brand. Go back through all your posts, comments, and personal information and delete anything that could be controversial or questionable. Again, this is going to take some time, but this is going to work to our benefit. We take your security very seriously with IDShield. IDShield provides tools to monitor our online presence and alert us of any unusual activity, so we can act the moment it happens. We want to be proactive instead of being reactive, right? So I hope this helps, and I'll see you on the next one.